Rakuten Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now, let's dive in. Rakuten Affiliate Network, previously known as Rakuten Linkshare, is one of the top global affiliate marketing networks. It's designed for both experienced marketers and beginners, offering a range of high-quality advertisers, particularly in the retail and e-commerce sectors. Rakuten's platform supports cost per sale, CPS, cost per click, CPC, and cost per action, CPA models, providing flexibility depending on the type of products or services you want to promote. One of the standout features of Rakuten Affiliate Network is its focus on quality partnerships. It works with some major brands, including Walmart, Best Buy, and various other top retailers across different industries. The platform offers detailed reporting tools, allowing affiliates to track clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time. Rakuten also provides various promotional tools, such as banners, deep links, and product feeds, to help affiliates optimize their campaigns. Now let's talk about strengths. Rakuten's reputation for quality merchants is a key selling point. They have a wide variety of product categories, from fashion to electronics, making it easy for affiliates to find programs that suit their niche. The network also offers reliable tracking and timely payments, with multiple payout options, including direct deposit and check. The user interface is clean, and Rakuten provides a solid support system for affiliates, including educational resources to help you get the most out of the network. However, there are some weaknesses. The application process can be selective, especially for smaller affiliates, and you might not get approved for all programs right away. Additionally, Rakuten's reporting interface, while functional, isn't as advanced as some of its competitors like CJ Affiliate or Impact, which offer more comprehensive analytics tools. There are also fewer high-ticket items and niche programs available compared to other large networks. So is Rakuten Affiliate Network worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking to work with reliable, high-quality brands, especially in retail and e-commerce, Rakuten is a great choice. Just be aware of the application process and the slightly limited analytics. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.